Now, your KSBW weather forecast with meteorologist Gina DeVecchio.
Happy weekend, everyone. Sure is a lovely day today. Look at all of those temperatures in the 70s and sunshine for many locations. 81 up at Boulder Creek, so pretty warm there. 74 for Scotts Valley, 75 and sunny in Santa Cruz, 69 Aptos. And as we take a look at some of our typically warmer spots, only some low 80s, 82 for Morgan Hill, San Juan Bautista, 77 Corralitos, Prunedale, Watsonville. Little chill in the air at times at low 70s though, so panning out to be a nice day. And 70s to 80s down the Salinas Valley, 81 for Greenfield, and lots of 60s on the Monterey Peninsula, 69 for Pebble Beach. So actually pretty warm, warmer than much of this past summer was. But we know that this is our warm time of year. We also know this can be our very windy time of year, and it's an exceptionally dry year. So that's why we are concerned with the red flag warning across the state, including our local mountains. We'll talk more about that in detail, but right now we're seeing those winds starting to increase. San Jose now 14 miles per hour, Hollister 14 as well. So those numbers have already gone up in the last 10-15 minutes or so. Temperatures right now in the 60s, so those are dropping off. It is going to be a cool night. It has been pretty chilly. We've had some 40s, we even had some 30s up at those higher elevations the last couple of nights. So it's cold and it's dry. These numbers are dropping off. 24% relative humidity right now in Gilroy. Anywhere where you see that red, that's where those are areas of concern. And unfortunately, this entire map is going to transition from those greens at the coast to those more red shades of colors, meaning under 20% relative humidity, maybe even some single digits. Again, another concern with that fire danger. Cold air across the state and half of the country. 19 degrees for tonight at Lake Tahoe. Look at all those cold, freezing temperatures in the lighter blue. 37 for Billings, Montana. And then you can see the warm front, or the warmer air ahead of a cold front. That is slicing through the country, and that's going to bring some very dangerous weather to parts of the south. You can see tornado watches in yellow from Texas to Oklahoma, and then another system coming our way. This is the one that's going to bring some winter weather to the northern parts and central parts of the Rockies, and that's what's going to bring us our red flag warning. So there you can see the pink across the region, those winds coming down from the north, freeze watches and warnings up towards the north. So this is going to be a very cold system, high wind warning down south, and then that fire danger does linger locally until Tuesday. Then we'll have another system coming through. In addition to that red flag warning for our higher elevations, we also have this wind advisory. So that's for the entire area. So let's take another look at this map. I'll get to the afternoon tomorrow. That's when things really ramp up. So already starting to see some winds pick up late tonight. But as we go into tomorrow, you're going to notice that. Look at the winds in the valley coming straight in from the north. These are those very dry winds, and look at that, just taking over the entire region. So very windy for tomorrow, hence the red flag warning. And then for tonight, temperatures in the 40s. Tomorrow, temperatures in the 60s, so noticeably cooler. Today we had lots of 70s. It also means it's an impact day because we do have that red flag warning, both mainly for our mountains and inland areas, but some coastal spots, and then we have that wind warning or advisory as well. So windy the next couple of days. Be extra cautious. Be prepared for perhaps a power outage, so have those phones charged just in case.
Definitely news that has everyone on edge.
Yes, I know, unfortunately.
Yeah. Thanks so much, Gina.